Now welcome back to the new module of our chapter called Magnetism. In this particular module, we'll be learning multiple choice questions which are based on concept called as magnetization, magnetic intensity and Curie's law. Now students, we have already learned these concepts in the previous module, right? So let us start our module with the first MCQs, which says relative permeability of iron is 4000. What is its magnetic susceptibility? And the options are 4001, which is option A. Option B is 3999. Option C is 4000 into 10 raised to power minus 2. And the last option is 4000 into 10 raised to power 2. Now students, in this particular case, we are provided with relative permeability, which is given by symbol mu r. And what we need to find? We need to find magnetic susceptibility. That means we need to use relation between relative permeability and magnetic susceptibility. Do we know such kind of relation? Yes, and the relation is magnetic susceptibility xi m, it is equal to relative permeability mu r minus 1. Therefore, I can write xi m, it is equal to mu r minus 1. Now students, we know value of relative permeability. What is the value? The value is 4000, right? So if I place value 4000 in this particular equation, what will I get? I'll get xi m, it is equal to 4000 minus 1. So final answer will be xi m, it is equal to 3999. So in this case, option B is the correct answer, right? Now let us move towards next MCQ, and it says the susceptibility of a material is xi at 127 degrees Celsius. At what temperature its susceptibility will reduce to half of its original value, right? And the options are option A 327 degrees Celsius, option B 427 degrees Celsius, option C 527 degrees Celsius, and last option is 627 degrees Celsius. Now students, this particular MCQ is based on the concept of Curie's law. And in Curie's law, we have learned that magnetic susceptibility is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. Here, we need to consider absolute temperature. That means temperature has to be converted in Kelvin. Right now, we are provided with temperature which are in degrees Celsius, right? Now, as xi is directly proportional to 1 by T, from here we can say xi2 upon xi1 will be equal to T1 upon T2, right? Now, see carefully. Now, at 127 degrees Celsius, we are having magnetic susceptibility as xi. So, I can say xi1, it is equal to xi. And at what temperature? At T1 equal to 127 degrees Celsius. Now I need to convert this degree Celsius into Kelvin, right? So what will I do? I'll add 273 to it. So what will I get? I'll get 127 plus 273, that will be equal to 400 Kelvin, right? Next, what we need to find? At what temperature? So we need to find second temperature T2. The susceptibility will reduce to half of its original value. So initial susceptibility is xi. So my new susceptibility will be xi upon 2, right? So I'll be putting these values in the above equation. So we know value of xi2. What is value of xi2? So value of xi2 is xi upon 2. Value of xi1 is known, it is xi. Value of T1 is also known, it is 400 Kelvin. So if I place these values, what will I get? I'll get xi1 upon 2 upon xi1 is equal to 400 upon T2, right? So if I calculate, I'll get the final answer as 800 Kelvin. But still, the options are in degrees Celsius. So we need to convert this temperature in Kelvin in degrees Celsius. How will I convert? I'll subtract 273 from this. So what will I get? I'll get 800 minus 273, which is equal to 527 degrees Celsius. So which is the correct answer? In this case, option C is the correct answer, right? Now let us move towards third MCQ, and it says, how does the magnetic susceptibility of a paramagnetic substance change with absolute temperature T? And the options are xi directly proportional to T, option B xi directly proportional to 1 by T, option C is xi directly proportional to e raised to T, and last option is xi directly proportional to T square. Now students, this is a very simple MCQ, or rather very simple question, and this can be clearly interpreted from the Curie's law. And for paramagnetic substance, by Curie's law, we can say xi is directly proportional to 1 by T. So which is the correct answer? In this case, option B is the correct answer. Right? So students, in this particular module, we have learned multiple choice questions which were based on Curie's law. At the same time, we have learned one question which were based on magnetization and magnetic intensity. In the forthcoming module, we'll be learning several more MCQs. Till then, keep learning.